Today we're going to make up the Mad Max Lego car set. I built it all by myself. I'm 6 years old. Let's get started. First, we get this piece. Then, we get this piece. This is the part of the hood. So, let's see. Where's the Mad Max piece? So, let me get this piece. This is very good. So you're going to get a wheel thing and thing like this and some brown things and a white thing. A square thing and some purple things. Then you get the steering wheel and then you get the other piece. Then you get the piece for the front. Get a blue piece. A blue 8 piece. You get this little thing. Put this on it. Under it, And you get this little driver's seat thingies. And you get these two black things. It's one, and you see, we're almost done, but this is kind of easy, very easy. Now let's go for the windshield. You see this? And now you get these two pieces, the white, the blue. They got these two things you put on this side of the car. You see these little two brown things, this black and brown thing. You put right here, and voila. And you see this piece. Put this on. And you see this orange piece and this black piece. And then when you're done with that, you get the blue piece. And wait, I'll be right back. Then you get Mad Max, the character. Then you put him. Then you put him like this. With this gun, you put them inside, then get the windshield, put it back on, now, and you put this on, and you see these little things, little glasses, window things, you put them on the back. And you have to supposed to have 4 each one, and you put this gray one. Now we gotta go up for the wheels. When you see the wheels, you put them on like this. The back side got to face like out. You see it on every single wheel, and back wheel and front wheel gotta be like that. If you want to see more, if you want to see more, you just click subscribe, and next week we'll be doing this. Okay? Subscribe if you want. Now only got 0 subscribers. Over and